Today we're looking at BUR 13 silicone-based seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Existing roof problems can include cracking of the seam or open joint failure. Let's look at repairing this seam using Incredible tape and a top application. To start, always clean the surface. Measure and cut a piece of Incredible Fleece Top repair tape. Remove the release liner and apply Incredible Fleece Top tape over the seam. Next, work in Incredible tape with the seam roller. Apply APOC 581 Armor Flash patch and sealant over the Incredible tape. Return any loose gravel over the base of the repair area. Now your APOC BUR 13 silicone-based seam repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.